This video gives you an overview of how you will upload your opportunities onto the new Royal Voluntary Service volunteering platform. Once logged in and viewing your charity dashboard for the first time, which you can access by clicking on this menu in the top right hand corner and selecting Dashboard, you will need to set your category. In order to do this, you can click on this little pen button here, and you can then choose your primary category from the drop-down list. And if it is appropriate for your charity, you can also add a second category here. Once you've done this, select Save, and this will be saved to your profile. And then you are ready to start uploading your opportunities. To get started with this, you will need to download the Excel template here and fill out this with your information. In the future, we will be supporting automated uploads through an API that will link to Charity and CRM systems. But for now, you can use our opportunity spreadsheet to upload your volunteering roles to the platform. Click on the Download Excel Template button. This will open up into your downloads where you can open the file. I'm going to talk you through each of the different fields now, but there are also data requirements which will appear when you enable editing and click into a cell which tells you what you need to enter into each field. The platform ID should be ignored as this will be auto-populated by the platform when you upload your opportunities. Charity ID is a unique reference for this opportunity. The title, which is required, is a short clear name for the opportunity, i.e. community shopper. Then we have the description field, which is also required, and this is what the volunteers will be doing and why it matters. You can use headings or bullet points if you want to keep it clear by adopting Markdown formatting. We have some guidance for this in our Help Centre article, How Do I Fill Out the Opportunity Template? Or you could look up Markdown formatting and it will show you how to do this. We also have guidance on how to write an accessible role description within our Help Centre. The next field is commitment, and this is how often the role happens, and you can choose from one-off, ongoing or self-managed. The opportunity type is also required, and this will give you the option to choose from remote or in-person. Then we have location. This is another required field, and you can select from full address, UK-wide or by county. If you have selected full address, you will need to fill out the first line of address and postcode fields which follow it here. This is a common one where there can be errors if the first line of address does not match the postcode, which you do need to provide in full in the postcode field. If you have selected county as the location type, then you can choose this from a drop-down list in the county field here. The next field, minimum age requirement, is optional, but this can be useful to fill out to avoid anyone applying for it if there is a minimum age requirement for your opportunity. Driving requirement is also optional. This is yes or no. And then our final required field is status. The two options here are published or unpublished. Published means that this opportunity will be visible on the platform, and unpublished means it will not be visible on the platform. The first time that you upload, you should put all of your opportunities to published, and then subsequently, if you wish to unpublish a role, you will download the spreadsheet from your dashboard, select unpublished, and it will remove it from the platform next time you upload the spreadsheet. The rest of the columns are optional, and they are explained in our Help Centre article, How Do I Fill Out the Opportunity Template? When you are ready to upload, save the file locally, and then you can return to the dashboard to select Upload, which I will show you now. So here is the upload button on the dashboard. If you select this, it will open our uploading tool. Select Next Step, and it will give you the opportunity to choose your file or drag and drop it here. If you click here, it will open up your file explorer and you can select the file that you would like to use. Select Next Step, and this will match the columns that you have entered to the columns required by the platform. If there are any errors in data here, you'll be able to edit them here and ensure that they match correctly. It's really important to delete that first line from the spreadsheet, which is the sample opportunity, which is there just to help you the first time that you upload. Once you've matched your columns, select Next Step. And as you can see here, it's telling me all required columns have been matched. If there is an error, you can click to go back and make any edits that you need to. The final step is then to click Import Data, and this will upload your opportunities to the platform. Once you have successfully uploaded opportunities, you can click on the opportunities here on the left-hand side, and it will show you everything that you have successfully uploaded in your live opportunities, and there will also be any historical opportunities there. And that is how you upload your opportunities to the volunteering platform.